Today we got a video from Street Law, and the title of the video is Police Surprise Mother After a Teen Calls 911 on Her, Doesn't End Well.
2025, officers responded to a residence after reports of a teenage boy being attacked by his mother.
Hello.
Hey.
Did you call?
Yeah, my grandson did.
Okay. Hey, what's going on, man? Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
Okay.
Right.
Man, just imagine if he put hands on his mom back, man. Of course, we never, we don't do that to our parents. But just imagine, this is a big boy, okay? Let's continue.
Yes, ma'am.
My mom came in, she was drunk, and she came in yelling at me. She put her hands on me, she started ripping out my hair. She's calling me right now.
Okay. Do you mind if I talk to her real quick?
Yeah.
What's her name?
Bianca.
Hi, is this Bianca?
Do you have any shoes or socks that maybe you could throw off?
Yeah.
Can we,
Bianca?
Here, I'll go inside with you so we can get maybe some shoes and some socks and
She's not answering.
Okay.
So you're saying your mom came home? Does she live here?
Yeah, she sleeps with
Okay.
her boyfriend, and she came into my room. Like, she called me, she was yelling. She came into my room yelling. She was drunk. She went back out. She came back in, then she started yelling at me. She smacked me across my face, pulled my hair, and that's why someone's falling out now. And then she came into here. She grabbed me by my hair. My grandma was trying to protect me, then she slapped my grandma.
Okay. I'm just going to put a bright light on you real quick, okay? Do you want an ambulance to check you out?
Wow. So his mom, which is his grandma's daughter, which is a child, right? Compared to grandma. That grandma had a child, and that's his mom. So the child of the grandma, right? Mama, hit her mom. Now, what if karma comes back around and later in life, you have a kid now, right? Which is your son. What if he hits you? You hit your mom. Now you have a kid. Now, what if your kid hit you? This is a big boy. I hope he playing football, man. This is a big boy.
Okay. No? Okay. So she opens up your door, starts yelling at you. What was she yelling at you about?
Saying how I want to live with my dad and how I just want to stay here, but I don't want to be around her. And she gets too drunk. She told me to find her one time, but I just don't want to be around her anymore. I can't do it.
It's okay. Okay. You're okay. I get it, man. I get it. Take a nice deep breath. Okay. I know this is hard for you to kind of talk, especially when it comes to your mom. Right? But a mom laying hands on you the way that you're saying that she's laying hands on you, right, is not appropriate behavior, right? So, what's your dad's name? All right. So if he's coming from Antioch, that's not too far away. So realistically, probably by the time we get done, it'll be kind of close to when he gets here. We'll hang out until your dad gets here, so that way you feel safe. Okay? I don't want you to feel like we're just going to leave you in case your mom comes home. I'd rather be here just to make sure that the peace is kept until after we can kind of get you on with your dad. Okay? All right. Does that sound fair enough?
Yeah. He doesn't like being around police, so I'm probably just gonna walk to the corner.
Your dad?
Yeah.
Well, I have to talk to him because he's going to be taking custody of you. So let him know he's not in any trouble, right?
That's fine.
But it just unfortunately, like with something like this, how old are you? 13. When we're going to allow for a 13-year-old to go with another parent, I just have to verify that he's okay with that, and just verify his information, and then let you guys go. Okay?
Okay. She's calling me.
I mean, if you want to answer and see if she'll at least tell you where she's at.
Shit. So, mom take care of you. Say that shit. Mom, you think mom gonna take care of you?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, say that. Auntie, my mom is gonna take care of me. Where you gone?
Yeah.
She loves me like she's my mom.
Hi,
Say that to
Bianca? Is this Bianca?
Say
Hey.
that to me, Augusto.
Hey, Bianca.
Augusto? Augusto?
Bianca.
What you gonna do?
Well, this is Officer Haskey with the Waukegan Police
What you
Department.
gonna do? What you gonna do?
So, Bianca, I'd like to come and talk to you. You want to tell me where you're at?
I'm outside. Come talk to me.
Outside where?
I'm outside, right out your house. Come talk to me. I'm outside.
Okay, I'll come talk to you.
I'm waiting for you. Bye.
Okay, just wait here, okay? And then you witnessed all this?
Yes.
Okay. And then you got smacked as well?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's going on, man?
It's not that. You don't need away from me. Away from me. You won't have to take me. You have to take me.
So
It's not.
We're good. We're good. We're good.
And it's not. And it's not.
127. We're good. Yeah. Hang on.
That rushing ain't about to go on.
okay, just relax.
Fuck on. No, I'm not about to relax. I'm tired of y'all chewing me. Fuck on. And it's not.
You got turn.
And it's not.
Okay.
And it's not. And it's not.
Okay, got one. Ma'am, let go of the cuff.
Nope.
Ma'am, stop resisting.
Nope.
Let go of the cuff.
Nope.
Ma'am, let go of the cuff.
Get me for resistance.
Okay, let go of the cuff. ma'am.
You are under arrest.
You're ready to
Yep.
resist.
Yep.
Hey, I'm
Yep.
gonna peel her fingers.
All that.
Okay.
Yep.
I got it. Whenever you're ready, Hesky. Okay, you got that one?
Close up.
Hey, again.
Take that down.
Yep, that's good. You got it?
No.
Ah, don't you bite me! Hey,
Yeah.
don't you bite!
I'm biting on
Go underneath and peel it up.
in my ass.
Go underneath and peel it up.
Yeah.
Buddy, go over there. Go over there, okay? Go over there. Hey, Andy, just get the cat away. Try to. Here. There we go. 127. We're in custody. All right. Ready? Hey, everyone good? Yep. 127. Can you just document she bit Officer Haskey?
Yeah. Put that on document. What's your name? No. What's your
Yeah, roll on our side first.
Officer
name? What's your name? What's your name? And then what's your name?
You're gonna sit up?
What's all for?
Go ahead, roll her up. Just sit up. Just roll her up. Yeah,
Okay, sit up.
No.
yeah, I can sit up. Yeah, she's just squirming, dude. Hold on.
Is there anything we can talk to you to make sense? Like, will you relax
No, about
so we can explain things?
Maybe explain things?
No. Is there anything we can explain to you to make you
Yourself,
like,
water.
comply and relax?
No. She's an alcoholic, man. She's an alcoholic parent, belligerent. And then not only that, it's like when you're a drunk, you're two types of drunk, right? There's really only two types. There's the happy type, right? That, they get drunk and they're kind of like, they're happy, go lucky, everything's great, And then there's your angry drunk, who they drink and, man, God forbid you might bump them by accident or something, and it's like World War III, man. It's like, damn, it's just so, and she's clearly an angry drunk. She gets angry and she takes her anger out on her loved ones, which is really unfortunate, man.
Okay.
Okay. You can explain to me?
I'm asking you.
That's what you're asking me?
I'm asking, is there anything we can explain to you so you understand what's going on? You don't want to get more charges, right?
So I'm going to get a charge because
You good? What's your bite?
you take me down?
No, if you bite officers, you fight officers.
I didn't bite or fight. Do you have the video?
We all have bites.
Because I didn't bite anybody. I didn't try to do any of that. I don't know what.
Yeah, we're 10-2. We're good.
No, they're lying. They're trying to kill me. Come and get me now. Take me, please. They're trying to kill me now. They keep trying to take me. Stop touching me.
Can I help you, sir?
Stop. I do not want to be touched. I do not want to be touched. Do not take me. Please take me to get raped. Boom.
Ma'am, let's come over this way. We'll talk to you guys a little bit.
I'm not taking it out.
Hey, your mom's okay. She's okay. All right, your mom's okay. All right. She just had a little too much to drink. Okay, she's okay. All right.
And listen, man. I know things look, how they look, but we're not trying to hurt her. Okay. We're just trying to get her to get in cuffs, right? But she's okay. Okay. She's not gonna get hurt. All right. Now that she's in cuffs, we're not gonna hurt her. Okay. We're not hurting her.
Boyfriend, I don't want him here.
Who's the boyfriend? Where's he at?
They got in an argument. I don't know where he's at.
Okay. Does he have keys to the place?
No.
So what up? Downstairs somewhere.
Okay.
Just make sure you lock the door.
Yeah, just make sure you lock your door if he comes in. Tell him he's not welcome, and if you have to call us, call us.
Call us and we'll come back out here, okay?
All right? All right. Yeah, but don't worry about your mom, okay? We're gonna get her all settled out, okay?
All right.
It's all right, buddy.
Your mom's okay. She's not having a good night, all right?
We're gonna
Give
sit
my
you
hands.
up.
We're just gonna sit
What
you up.
is it considered as
What we're gonna
obstruction
do
of justice?
You're gonna sit up.
Because I don't want to give you my
Okay, sit you on
hand.
your butt.
So what is it
1, 2,
considered?
3. Oh, I'm going all the way up. Okay. Wait. On your butt.
No, ask me. Don't treat me like that. Ask me
We're gonna sit
nicely,
you up. You're under arrest.
please.
You understand
And
that?
I understand
Okay,
that. You don't
then
have
sit
to
up.
treat me like
I
shit.
asked you to sit
I
up.
don't have to move like
On 3,
that.
we're gonna sit
You
you up.
got me all the way down.
1.
I don't do that.
Okay, 1.
No, it's not gonna happen. Please ask.
Sherman's pulling the car up.
I'm just asking. Y'all got that on video? I'm asking. I'm really detained. Y'all want to be so bad. Y'all want to be so bad.
Stop.
Y'all want to know I can't breathe. You're hurting me.
Bianca.
Get the
Bianca, if you
I can't breathe. Get the your knee.
We'll get off you.
Get off of me.
If you
Get off of
and
me.
relax.
No, I'm not relaxing. Get out.
Okay.
Get out. Get out. Get the off. Get off. I can't breathe. Get the off. I do not appreciate this shit. Get out. I don't get off me. I don't get this shit. Y'all foul as hell. Nope. No.
Watch your hand.
Yep, go ahead.
One shoulder.
Just make sure you don't get bit.
Yep. I got it.
Are you good, Fitzy?
Yeah, I'm good. She's spit on the
That's
other
on this side while I'm over here. Okay. And you got legs?
All right, I'm gonna just check the pockets.
Good. I got ahead.
Okay, so then we're gonna roll towards you. Ask you when Fitzy's on control.
You guys good?
Y'all do everything y'all gotta do because y'all about to get so. And these wanna watch you. They and I'm not. You can't make me. And it's not.
Yeah, just turn
So
around.
what's that considered?
Roll this way.
What's that considered? What that considered? Y'all trying to kill me? Y'all trying to kill me? Cause I'm on the floor. Get off me. Get off me. Get off me. I can't breathe. Get the off me. I'm not getting off shit.
And somebody's got legs?
All right. I got one.
Don't touch me.
All right, man.
I don't give you permission.
You don't have to.
Don't touch me.
Yeah, I'm done. You're right. You're good.
Let's go.
I got you.
The woman was charged with aggravated battery on a law enforcement, domestic battery, and resisting arrest. Let me know your thoughts.
You know, I give that kid a lot of credit, man, because it seems like, you know, the mom situation is tough, you know, and then you got the dad situation, which whatever, you know, at least he's there and he could come get his kid and everything. But the dad isn't too fond of law enforcement and stuff like that, and so clearly the kid knows that, you know, so that's been like embedded in his head and stuff like that. So, but guess who you call when your son needs help, right? The son calls law enforcement. I mean, and sometimes when you put that on people, like when your kids pay attention, right? So if you talking bad about law enforcement or this, that, and the third, I hate cops or this and that, like how does the kid know that he's not fond of police? The father isn't fond of police. So when you like, kids pay attention. So it's like, good thing he didn't fully go down that route, because he might be afraid to call the police when he's got an issue. You know what I mean? And it's good that he's able to call the police and get when there's an issue. Oh boy, he's got a rough upbringing, boy. It's sad. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.